All right, I'm back. I've had hundreds of people ask about the eye bag, so I'm going to show you this again, please. If you grind your teeth, clench at night, here's what happens. This muscle right here, called the masseter muscle, I outlined it. It can stay tight for hours while you sleep. And when that happens, it affects the fluid from your eye bags that are supposed to drain here, these black lines, across your face, towards your ear, and down. It's just one of several reasons people wake up looking more tired than they felt the night before.